Mother Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day. You guys, Christmas. I mean, really? It's right around the corner. I cannot believe it. I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you for being here. Please do make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. It helps me out. Leave a comment. I love talking with you guys. And if you're new, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you join us. We do all kinds of fun unboxings. I mean, we do everything. We do a lot of beauty unboxings, but we do, snack subscriptions. I've recently done a dog subscription. As you can see from the description below, this is a candle unboxing, which I have done before. So let's dive in. This is the December 2018 VellaBox. I love VellaBox. It is a candle subscription, as I said. They have ever so kindly, they've been sending this to me for review. I do want to tell you a little bit about VellaBox. It starts at $10 a month, which is amazing. Candles to your door, period, is amazing. You can get the Lucerna box for $10 a month, where you receive a 4-ounce candle. Excuse me. And you always receive some kind of extra little bonus item. I've gotten lotions, I've gotten a chapstick. One time they put some Ghirardelli chocolate in there. So it's always, a nice little bonus. You can also get the Ignis box, which is $20 a month, and that includes an 8-ounce candle. Also, again, with the bonus item. And then there is the Vivere box, where you receive both the 4-ounce and the 8-ounce and the surprise. That is the box that they send to me. And like I said, this is $30 a month. Absolutely worth it. Who would not love getting candles? I will make sure to put a link down below to get you to their website if you would like to sign up. This makes a great gift. I mean, I know Christmas is literally like knocking on the door, but if you wanted to sign up for someone as a gift, it would be amazing. I know I love getting candles to my door. So let's open it up and see. It says Happy Holidays. And then the 2 candles do always come in a cute little bag. They're always like canvas style bags. I love them. They're great for repurposing things. So let's get in here. The card is at the bottom, but I can see our bonus item. But I'm going to take this stuff out and get to the card. Okay. So we'll start with the bonus item because it was right on top. And this is from Aroma Floria for Feet's Sake. Intense Repair Spa Foot Butter. This is actually from Huntington, New York. They do have their website, aromafloria.com, and you can use code VellaBox18 and you'll get 30% off it. So that's awesome. It says they're dedicated to producing wholesome beauty products. Aroma Floria uses the purest, safest, sustainable, and eco-friendly ingredients. It is a woman-owned and operated business. So yay. And this is in tea tree and mint. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, that smells awesome. That will be great. That will be fantastic. That's a great bonus to get. So I'm very excited about that. All right, so I'm going to tell you a little bit about, it looks like both candles are from the same company, so that is awesome, and that is 3 Leaf Studio. They are located in San Diego, California. They do have their website, 3leafstudio.com, and you can use code VellaVella20 at checkout for 20% off. And this is, it looks like these are both maybe going to be from the Wild Earth collection. And it says that the Wild Earth collection derives its scent from every element of nature. It encompasses scents from the tundra to the desert, from a thunderstorm to the sweet smell of a flower. Bring nature indoors. That is awesome. So we've got our scents here. So let's just go ahead and start. This is what I was talking about, you guys. You see how cute these bags are? They're always little canvas drawstring bags. They are so cute. And each candle comes in one. This is the 4-ounce candle. So if you did the subscription and you just did the $10, this would be the candle. It would be the 4-ounce candle. And this is Winter Forest. You can see there. And then here on the side, it does tell you some of the notes. And it looks like we have evergreen and cedar with citrus and amber. Let's see. Reminiscent of hiking through the woods on a winter afternoon, this cool scent of crisp air, snow-covered trees, and the forest floor brings the richness of the outdoors inside. Let's see. Oh, yeah. That smells so good. You do kind of smell almost like a Christmassy tree smell, but then it's like it says the notes are evergreen, cedarwood, citrus, and amber. So maybe it's the amber and the citrus together, because it does have a sweet smell too. That smells so good. That again is the Winter Frost. That is amazing. I love that. And then the larger candle, this would be the one if you did just the $20 subscription, this 8-ounce candle. And I'm sorry, it did also come in the same design canvas bag if I did not show you. And here is the candle. This is, again, their Wild Earth collection. This is orange and clove. And it says orange spice, cypress and cypress and smoke with cinnamon and clove. So let's see. So like I said, this would be the $20 subscription, and then obviously the two of them together is the $30. After a long walk through the forest, nothing's better than sipping hot tea by a warm fire with fresh orange and clove simmering on the stove. That sounds so peaceful. So let's give her a smell. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna be honest here. I was actually very nervous because of the clove and the smoke. I was like, oh, I don't know if I'm gonna like that. But this smells so good. It's actually a very light scent, and I'm definitely picking up cinnamon and the orange. That smells so good. I bet the two of these burning at the same time, oh my gosh, it would smell like a winter wonderland in my house. So here are our candles from VellaBox for December 2018. We have the Winter Forest and the Orange Clove. These smell amazing. And like I said, I bet like one in the living room, one in the kitchen, and the smell together is probably going to be absolutely amazing. And I believe I don't know if they have it on here, but generally I believe the 4-ounce candle has like a 25-hour burn time, and the 8-ounce is usually like a 50-hour. So you definitely get a lot of use out of the candles. There is also a card in here. This says Soam Sleep 4-pack. It says use code Vella and you get a free Soam, it's S-O-M, Soam Sleep Pack. 4-pack, just pay for shipping and handling. This is through January 31st. Som Sleep is scientifically advanced to help you fall asleep faster and sleep better. Our formula is packed with ingredients that are naturally found in your body, a healthy diet, and green tea. Drink 1 can 30 minutes before bed. It's that simple. So it's kind of like it looks like an energy drink can, but apparently it helps you to sleep. So that is interesting. May have to give that a try because I have a lot of trouble sleeping sometimes. So that was the December 2018 VellaBox. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, I will make sure to put a link down below if you would like to sign up, and don't forget, it does make a great gift. I know Christmas is knocking on the door, but you could always make a fun little card and say, hey, you have candles on the way. So let me know in the comments what you guys thought. And like I said, please do give a big thumbs up if you like the video. I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk with you soon. Bye.